Hey, it's Dave, how are you? Every now and again, very simple ideas can yield to something with very meaningful impact. What I have in front of me is the new connector that we're using on the Panoramic system. So what this has done is allowed, in the tests we've done thus far, is to take setup time and cut it in half on the Panoramic framework. So let's take a look at the comparison of this new connector versus the old. So as you can see, by looking at a direct comparison, the use of just the levers to be able to lock the connector in place, to lock the cam lock in place, is much easier than having to twist the D-rings or the wing nut-like rings into place. It also means the same for dismantle. The undoing of the levers is very simple, and it cuts a considerable amount of time by comparison. If you'd like to learn more, please click the link below and send us a request and we'll have someone contact you. Thank you.